My name is Brian Somm. I'm a professor and chair in the Department of Physics and Astronomy at Washington State University. Everybody here is really passionate about physics and astronomy. And I think with that passion as a starting point, you can be successful here. I would say what you need to know is it's a small department, but we punch above our weight. We chose very specific areas to do our research in, but we chose good ones. And these things are not only blossoming now, but they have a landscape in front of them that's going out 2 and 3 decades. There's no dead weight here. I mean, look at every faculty member up and down the line, and you'll find somebody who is actively doing interesting research.
I'm Brian Collins. I'm an associate professor here of physics and astronomy.
My name is Vivian Baldessari. I am an assistant professor of physics and astronomy.
My name is Michael Forbes. I'm a physics professor here, and we do a bunch of research into something generally quantum dynamics.
My research involves discovery and creation of organic devices.
I am part of a group that will be using the James Webb Space Telescope to search for black holes in a sample of nearby galaxies and other stellar systems in order to take a census of black holes in these objects and try to learn more about black hole formation.
Compared to, some bigger departments, there's a little bit more one-on-one, a little bit more intimate connection between student and faculty member.
Hi, my name is Rifa Al-Amri, and I'm an undergraduate student at Washington State University, coming to Pullman to do a physics degree or an astrophysics degree is a great idea. I feel like that this place is just so beautiful, so nurturing, so encouraging. All the resources you could possibly need, you will find and get in Washington State University, and especially in the physics department.
I really love the people here. That's why I'm here.
My name is Chelsea Weaver, and I'm a first-year graduate student here at Pullman's campus of Washington State University in the Department of Physics and Astronomy. My research has to do with spin exchange optical pumping, more specifically hyperpolarized gases. It has really developed my hands-on experience with things like building circuits and operating optical devices like lasers and different sets of optics as well. It also has helped me understand signal processing and error analysis and all sorts of different mathematical tools.
Use of, say, synchrotron facilities, use of national labs and collaborations internationally is really is par for the course in our program. Working in our lab, you'll work with technology and materials that will revolutionize areas like energy, technology, and medicine.
We have a program we're developing here that we're calling iSci-Math, where we bring together mathematicians, physicists, chemistry, economists, together to share knowledge and to try and solve some big world problems that step outside the traditional domains of an individual department. So we like to say that this program will produce people who are a jack of all trades, but a master of some. It's important to have some specialties, some deep knowledge and skills, but it's also important to be able to communicate with people from other departments, other fields.
A lot of the groups in our program really benefit from that web and network that we generate for them, and opportunities and collaborations that they have at national labs, locally and across the nation, to really springboard those students into exciting careers.
We value community in this department. We want everyone. I want graduate students to come here. I want undergraduates to come here. I want staff people to say, this is my department. I belong here.
I mean, I love it here. I love it so much. I love my professors. I love my instructors. Everyone here prepared me for what life is going to be like in graduate school. I feel like after coming here for my undergraduate degree, I have a more definite vision of what I want to do in life and what I want to do with a physics and astrophysics degree.
The alumni from this program really have the entire spectrum of career opportunities, from startups to major firms to government labs and national labs to academia.
There are a variety of paths after you graduate. What we're here to do is support you in doing what you want to do, what you dream of doing with this degree.
We have recently formed a Physicists for Inclusion in Science club. We're putting in a lot of work toward creating a good departmental culture where everyone feels supported and included.
It's a wonderfully supportive and encouraging environment where you'll get more understanding of fundamental physical concepts, but also great hands-on skills-based training for developing your research skills. Living in Pullman is kind of the best of living in the Pacific Northwest. You know, you get this beautiful four seasons climate. You get a real sense of small town feel.
If you come here, you know, we consider it our job to support you the best possible way to getting to where you want to go, getting to your degree, realizing what career you want to realize after your degree. And we take it personally. I take it personally. We have 60 graduate students. I know them all by name.
We're an extremely strong department. The people are here because they love to do physics. If you really love physics, then come to WSU. This is a good place to do that.